$20 million milestone, launch day anticipation builds. Crypto All-Stars has captivated investor attention with a pre-sale that's burning bright, as early birds who invested at $0.00138 enjoy a 21% gain. With nearly $19.85 million already secured and still over 2 days left in the pre-sale, the path towards reaching $20 million is clear and imminent. Now, the focus shifts to what lies ahead after the pre-sale's conclusion. Although triumphant ICOs and pre-sales don't assure a token's success, they crucially equip development teams with the necessary capital and drive to forge ahead. A comprehensive roadmap is indispensable. It communicates to investors how funds will be allocated, propelling the project's chances of success. While executing the entire plan might be challenging, amassing funds enough for a robust start remains pivotal. For the $stars token, the roadmap is unambiguous, signaling promising prospects for sustained success. With the pre-sale stage nearing the $20 million mark, less than 3 days remain for investors to participate before the token lists on public exchanges. Launching a token in itself is straightforward. The intricacies lie in the token claiming process and the subsequent rush to offload tokens typical of high-profile projects. Drawing parallels with the successful $Pepu pre-sale, it is anticipated there could be challenges particularly around site congestion and rising transaction fees on Ethereum. Nevertheless, such issues did not deter the success of Pepu, which witnessed surging trading volumes post a $73 million pre-sale. Exchange listings are pivotal. Greater the number of listings, especially on major exchanges or with a coveted SEX listing, the more they bolster liquidity, offering stability and prospects for price appreciation. For Crypto All-Stars, a swift move from pre-sale to exchange listing is projected. The pre-sale wraps up this Friday, with $stars expected to go live on prominent dexes by early next week. Following the pre-sale, the process of token claiming and exchange listing, establishing utility becomes critical in determining a project's enduring success. While meme coins like $Doge may offer limited utility, projects such as Pepu and $stars chart a clear roadmap with defined use cases. For Pepu, utility encompasses Layer 2 expansions for the notable frog-themed meme coin. $stars will pivot on the development of the meme vault. The meme vault represents an ecosystem where users can stake various meme coins such as Pepe, Doge, and SHIB. The $20 million ascent of the $stars pre-sale position meme vault as a pivotal platform for accruing meme coin profits. As the pre-sale heads towards surpassing the $20 million mark, the final 72 hours hold exciting potential for further growth. On launch day, investors can start claiming tokens, and $stars is expected to spark a trading frenzy upon going live on dexes next week. Investors should also stay tuned for announcements regarding the rollout of key project features, including the meme vault, as these developments could significantly influence $stars' price trajectory.